Hey guys, welcome back or to my channel. My name's Madison. Nice to meet you. Good afternoon, not morning, because I didn't get very much sleep last night and I slept in. So anyway, so today I'm gonna be taking you guys thrifting with me. A couple different stores. I'm not sure what we'll find. We'll hopefully find something, so I have a video for you. But anyway, I just scraped off my cars, the snow off my car. This is like the most snow we've ever gone in a winter in a long time, and it keeps snowing like every freaking day, so that's fun. I'm so ready for summer. I can't wait. So hopefully maybe we'll find some springy pieces, not so much like sweaters and stuff, because I'm like over that. And without further ado, subscribe if you guys are new, and let's go thrifting. So there's a lot of people here and I don't want to talk very loud. The lighting in here is terrible, so I'm filming on this mirror. I didn't really find any like spring or summer pieces. I just found more like coats and jackets, and I found this one like sports skirt thing, like some of stuff. Like I don't know if any of this is gonna work. This is a really nice like silky shirt, so I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see what I can find. If any of them work out or not, I don't know, but I'm gonna try them on, and then I'm gonna go to the next store and see if I can find anything else. And then tomorrow is probably when I'll do like the try on part. So that store was also really busy and there's people in the parking lot, so bye. Okay, well, that second store had like maybe one thing I wanted to try on. I tried it on and it took forever in the waiting room, because you're only supposed to have like 3 to 4 or 5 or something pieces to try on, because there's only 2 dressing rooms in this one place. And this lady literally had a cart full. Oh my gosh, it took forever and it didn't even work out, so I ended up getting nothing there. So now we're off to the third store, and I guess we'll see if I find anything else there. Okay, so I've literally found a total of 4 clothing items between the 3 stores that I've gone to. I just got done at the third store, and I was gonna go to another one, but they closed at 3:30 and it's 3:47, so it was like, okay, whatever. So this clothing thrifting haul kind of was a bust. I mean, I found a few things, but like I didn't really film much in the stores because there were so many people today. I don't know why. I guess they were just having more sales than often. I don't know. I do have some other things I could have like a small haul, like combine the 2 of them from other places that aren't like clothing items, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do, but I'll see you at home. Alright, so my aunt just got here. You can tell in the background. We're gonna go do the insanity workout, and I literally just got up like 10 minutes ago, so and then after that I'm gonna get ready, clean up, and then do the little haul for you guys. Okay, my aunt just left and workout was good. I'm dead, might have a headache, so I'm gonna go clean up and I'll be back in 2 seconds to do this haul. Bye. Alright, so I am all showered and clean and ready to go. Let's go try on these 4 things from the thrift store, and then the mini haul from Target, Pier 1, and Amazon. I think those are the 3 places. We'll see, but let's go do this. So I will show you this in a second in the mirror, but the first thing is this. I don't know if you can tell on camera. There you go, but it's like this like checkered pleated type like material. Okay, so I know this is still kind of dark in here. It's like a really cloudy day, but it's Friday and I'm posting this today, so I need to get this done. It's just this like comfy jacket from Karen Scott with this silver detailing. Nothing too special. It was really cheap. This was half off, so it was only $5, which is amazing. I just paired it with black jeans and then my Plants Are Friends t-shirt, which I love. So that is the first piece. Really cheap, comfortable, good quality. Yeah. Okay, so this shirt is so cute. It has like these cinched, I don't know what you call this, little sleeves, and the neckline, I don't have it buttoned. It buttons in the back, so it's like tighter, but I literally can't get it. And the sun's going down fast, so I'm like trying to do this before it's too dark. But this is what it looks like. I love that it has the cinched little wrist line that matches the top, and again, this will go like more choker style. Oh, and by the way, I have my hair in a low bun, so if I look bald, that's probably why. Would probably wear it with just like leggings. I have those jeans on again. It's really flowy and comfortable, and this was like a steal. This one wasn't on sale, but it was still only $5. So this next piece was also on sale, and it was on sale for $4. It was half off. and it's from the brand Talbot's. So it's a nice quality sweater thing. So this is what it looks like. I just have the same black high-waisted jeans on with a tank, and it just has like these white stripes. It's so cute. It has a hood. It's really adorable and comfy and nice quality, and it was only $4, so score. Alright, so this is the last clothing piece from the thrift store. It's super cute, and guess what? It was only $2.50. It was half off of $5, so oh my gosh, score. So I think a total at the thrift store I only spent around like 16 or something like that dollars. I didn't really calculate it, but around there. So for 4 pieces, and they're like good quality. So that's great. So here, let me show you. Okay, so this is my sweater, but this is the little vest piece that I got. It's a dark like green. It has pockets with gold detailing, and it also has a hood back here. Super cute. I love like the fluffy detailing to it also, and I just paired it with khaki jeans and this tan top. So yeah. Alright, so now we can get into the mini haul. So I have Target, Ulta, Pier 1, and Amazon. First, I want to do the makeup products to get those out of the way, and the rest are kind of like homey type products, and there's one like techie type product. So let's get started. I have this on right now. The first thing is It Cosmetics CC Cream, and I'm in the shade Fair. It's the lightest shade. I had to get a new one. I love this stuff. This stuff lasts forever. I love this stuff. Get it all the time. Wear it like almost every time I wear makeup. Definitely recommend. And it has sunscreen in it, so remember to protect your skin. So obviously, like, I do have like thicker brows, I guess, but I wanted something that I didn't have to take a really long time on. So I got the Benefit Give Me Brow in the shade 3.5. So it just has this little wand, so it's like really precise. And I don't think I actually said what this is yet, but it's a brow tint gel. So it's just like a tinted brow gel. So instead of like using powder and then clear, I can just do this really quick and be done with it. So that's been really handy actually. And then the third like makeup product is Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist. So like the setting spray. Oh my gosh, I've been loving this stuff. It's weird because it's like a hairspray. I don't want to spray it to waste it because, you know, money, but so you know, like some setting sprays you have to like squirt it down. This you just hold it and it like sprays everywhere, and it's super fine, and I've been loving it. It also smells really good. Definitely recommend this. I got it in Ulta, so that's awesome. So the next product, my like techie product I got is from Amazon, and it's a ring light, but twist, it's for your phone. What? I know. So this is the ring light. It just clips onto your phone. It has a little charger right there, and there's a button on the back to turn it on. So I just clip it onto my phone, and it has 3 settings. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And you can tell by the camera that it's like super bright because it gets darker because it's focusing on the light. But it's freaking awesome. I've been loving it, and it's super easy for night, or just like if you don't have that much light. Like, this is so handy. I would definitely recommend this, and it really wasn't that much, so go Amazon. All right, so next I want to talk about a few things that are like more homey from Target. I got this pack of essential oils from Target. They're from the brand Chesapeake Bay. I really don't know if I said that right, but I have Inhale, Balance, and Happiness. This one is eucalyptus, fir, and sage, and some other ones, but those are the main scents. And then the main ones in this is patchouli, and this one, Happiness, is ylang ylang. I never know how to pronounce that. Lavender and petitgrain, or yeah. Loving these. Smell really good. I'm actually wanting to get a new diffuser that like is more like wood style. The one I have now is fine, but it's like not my favorite, so maybe you'll see that in a future video too. Oh my goodness, the skies outside are just like one layer of gray, and there's snow, so it's like making me look super freaking pale. What the heck? Gotta love natural lighting. So this next thing that I got from Target, it was only like $3 or something, but it's so freaking cute. I love it, and I think you guys will love it too. Oh, so cute. This is a little succulent or like plant water, but I think it's so adorable. Like, just look at that. It's so cute. It kind of looks like steampunky, you know, like steampunk with the little lines, and just like the overall look of it. I just think it's adorable. And you just put your water in there and you spray your plants, and this way it's cute and you won't forget about it, and your plants will not die. All right, so the last things I got from Target were these. They're so cute. I got 2 of them. I think they're freaking adorable. Ooh, you hear that? Aww. ASMR. So these are so cute. They have the little dents in them. Not dents, I don't know what you call them, like little dotted texture. But they're just white and they're really adorable. I can't remember how much they were. They weren't that much. They're from the brand Threshold. And they're so cute and I love them and I love the texture, and just doing this with your nails, like, if that's not satisfying, I don't know what is. And so, coming to an end, last but not least, we have 2 items from the brand Pier 1. And oh my gosh, it's a candle. It's called Cool Gray. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like guy cologne, you know, those kind of candles, like that's what it reminds me of, and it's freaking amazing. This one's totally opposite. I have another candle from there and it's called Moscow Mule. I love the lid, by the way. Like, I don't know if you can tell, like it's textured and just shiny and copper and it's really pretty. Oh, this smells so good. I feel like Moscow Mule is like a type of like alcohol or something. Correct me if I'm wrong, but like I feel like that is. I don't even know how to describe this one other than it's not fruity, it's not like cologne-y, it's not flowery, it's not like sweet or cupcakey. It's like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's freaking amazing. So I love these and I don't want to use them because I don't want it to run out and it'll be sad. But maybe I'll save these. I'm probably, oh, there goes the lid. I'm probably gonna save these for when I move out. They smell so darn good. All right, guys, that is the conclusion of this video. Thanks for watching. I need to hurry up, and what time is it? It's almost 4:20-ish. It's like 4:15, and I need to finish this video, edit it, and upload it all today. So if you watch this on Friday, this is me today. This is what I look like in the flesh of today, in the moment. What am I saying? Oh my gosh, Phoebe. Anywho, thank you guys for watching. You can like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to put those notifications on to get notified when I post new videos. I try to post every Friday. That I don't really have a time, but every Friday. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.